Hi, crew friends. This is Miss Christy checking in. Me and Miss Bonnie, we miss you so much. So we decided that we're going to share a video with you. On the last night that we were going to have crew, Miss Bonnie and I wanted to do a special project with you. And since we couldn't do that, we want to share it with you on the video. So we are going to make something called resurrection rolls. This is a picture of them, and I know it's backwards for you right now, so I'm sorry about that. But can you say resurrection with me? It's 4 claps. Resurrection. Good job. I knew you could do it. So, do you know what resurrect means? It means to come alive. And so, the resurrection rolls are related to Palm Sunday, Maundy, Thursday, and Easter. And so that's what we're going to share with you. So Miss Bonnie is going to tell you a really special story to go along with our resurrection rolls. And she'll do that in another video. But I'm going to show you how to make them. So first of all, you're going to need a roll of crescent rolls. You are going to need some marshmallows. You are going to need some melted butter. And you are going to need some yummy sugar and cinnamon. You also need a muffin pan, and it has to be a greased muffin pan. So maybe moms and dads can help you with that part. So each piece of the story has a special meaning. So our marshmallow represents Jesus' body. When Jesus died on the cross, they took his body down and they anointed him with oil. And that's what our butter represents. So we're going to take our marshmallow and we're going to roll it in some butter. And then Jesus' body was also had some spices put in it. And our sugar and cinnamon represent the spices that they put on Jesus' body. So we're going to roll it in the sugar and cinnamon. And lastly, once they had Jesus' body ready, they put him into a tomb. And our crescent roll here represents the tomb that they put Jesus' body in. So we're going to put the marshmallow in the crescent roll. We're going to wrap it all up nice and tight. Pinch our sides so that nothing comes out. And then we're going to roll it in our hands. See how we roll? Kind of like Play-Doh. Remember in our class we play with Play-Doh? That's really fun, isn't it? So then, once it's ready, you're going to dip it in some more butter. And you are going to dip it in some more sugar and cinnamon. There you go, nice and coated. Then, you're going to put it into your muffin tin. And then we're going to put it in the oven. And we're going to bake it for 15 minutes. So I'm putting it in my oven now. I'm going to set my timer for 15 minutes. There. And you know what? Voila! Surprise! They come out of the oven looking like this. Pretty yummy, huh? So what we're going to do is we're going to cut one open because on the 3rd day, on Easter Sunday, Jesus rose from the grave. And when they opened up the tomb, there was nothing in there. So I'm cutting this open. You can see I'm cutting it with a knife. I'm going to pick it up. And here's the tomb. And you open it up. There's nothing there. And you know why? That's because Jesus rose and he lives. So I'm going to challenge you to make these resurrection rolls with your mom and dad. And when you serve them to your family, I'm going to ask you to tell the story about the empty tomb. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you soon.